Wireless soil multi-parameters remote monitoring and alerting system by Pawan Kumar, Sanjay Motia and Dr. S.R.N. Reddy, University School of Engineering and Technology, Dwarka, Delhi.
Actually, what happened with the demand of increasing of food production, generally farmers do the wrong practices. They use basically extra supplements, chemicals for more production. But actually for a particular crop production, there are certain parameters like soil pH, soil moisture, soil temperature. They should be in a critical range. If these parameters goes out of this range, then the production goes down. So remote monitoring of a particular soil is very necessary. So, but there are no solutions available for this remote monitoring of soil sensing. With my best knowledge, there is no one product available in India for soil monitoring systems of Indian agriculture. And if there are 3 or 4 Chinese products are also available, they are measuring only one parameters, either soil pH, soil water content, or soil temperature. They are expensive also. They do not have data logging capability. So these are the basically demerits of existing some Chinese products. So with these problems, we want to define the problem statement. There is lack of IT means or instruments or gadgets for real-time monitoring of site-specific soil or atmospheric parameters. Atmospheric parameters are also necessary for a particular crop. If the humidity goes down or up, if the temperature goes down or up, then it will affect particular crop. Then we have to study its various deployment models, topology, in which minimum number of modes can take the maximum coverage of this field. And other one is radio optimization, and one more important parameter is power optimization. And after gathering the data, there should be some common platform through all the processors so that the data can be attainable by all others units or processor or research centers. So these are the basically research objective of this product. Before doing this, I have done some literature survey. There are various deployment models, but that are for agriculture monitoring, environment monitoring, horticulture, verticulture, irrigation systems. They are using some processors, some sensors, some radios and technologies. And there are some demerits. Merit is that if we take general purpose mode, they have some common sensors like light, for light, there is a MDA 100 sensor board. These sensors are not very precise and we cannot use for a specific problem. So, and another one problem is there is connection with our systems. They have certain protocol like SDI, serial data communication, identification. So we cannot control a particular system with any one of system. There should be some common platform also. And these modes are of high cost. There is a mode called WASP mode. It has a value of 5,500. So this is also expensive systems. So we require to design a low-cost open architecture system for this problem. So for designing this particular system, we have to design first the sensor node, and for designing the sensor node, we have to select sensors, interfacing units, processors, and radios. I also have done the literature survey for these things. There are various soil sensors available in the market, like Hydro, Pogo, MP407. They are have monitoring various parameters, but they have also demerits. Their limitation is, first of all, the conversion time. When we are using a sensor, suppose it converts its data from a particular physical quantity to a digital value or analog value, electrical value, these sensors took 0.5 seconds or 500 milliseconds. So the systems have more latency as compared to the other systems. Other disadvantages is that they are using some uncommon communication protocol like SDI 12. There is no, mostly boards just have more common platform only. So we cannot take these sensors for our system. Next, there are multiple processors available in the market like Atmega. They are 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit processors. Generally, a Texas Instrument MSP 430 and Atmega 12.8 L. These are 16-bit microprocessor. They are using for agriculture products, but these have low frequency. Sometimes we have to take video of a particular site also for agriculture properties. So at that time, these controllers have a low frequency. That is why they are unable to do video processing. That is why I am selecting Intel Quark X100 SoC. That is having good frequency and have 6 inbuilt ADC channels. Now, for wireless monitoring, we also require radios. So I have also done the comparison between different radios. In these radios, they have some costlier and only Atmega 8.6 RF has low cost and low power consumption. So that is why I am selecting this.
On your product and your cost.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We use microphone.
Okay. So through this literature survey, I am selecting, sir, basically Bluetooth as a communication technology, Intel Galileo Gen 2 as a processor, and some specific sensors which I will mount it in the architecture. The novelty of this product is, sir, this is basically for soil sensing. It does multiple parameter monitoring, that is soil temperature, soil pH, soil moisture. It can also do in multiple functions. We can directly see the data. We can have analyze data also on our mobile app, and we can do some analysis at the research center from this unit only. So it can work on different modes also. And this M3SS have certain features like it is standalone, it is continuously real-time, it basically do the continuously real-time monitoring, real-time data logging, and it is protected from weather conditions also. So this is the basically block diagram of this proposed M3SS sensor node. Here I am using basically 5 sensors and I am using solar power unit for making it as a standalone project, alphanumeric LCDs, processor as a Intel Galileo, and Bluetooth module. If the number of interfacing units goes more than 7, I can use Zigbee also with that. And we have a free Android application, Bluetooth SSP manager, through which we can monitor the data. So this is the schematic diagram. This is the experimental setup what we did at IGD2 Kashmiri Gate. This is solar panel. This is our unit name M3SS. M3SS means multi-mode, multi-parameter, multi-application soil sensing unit. This is power unit. This is soil sensors. And there is a LCD interface. Somebody wants to check it online in the field. And there is Bluetooth application. These are the results, sir. Basically, for soil sensing, right now the practice is the lab engineers take the data from soil and they do the chemical process. I compare my results with the traditional chemical process, and the results are satisfactory. There is a tolerance of 5% only, sir. So, and we have also designed a Android app that is soil monitoring, soil parameters monitoring app, and we have taken 3 samples, and which I am showing here. This is the bill of material total. For a single unit, it cost around, say, near about 12.5. And these are the references. And we have also patent filed for this unit also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.